Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So before you see the face, I hear the voice, now you don't know say a Cogency. But the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have E1, Mad About Bars with Kenny Allstar. You understand, up on Mixtape Madness. No, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not like super late. I'm almost a week late, but you know what I'm saying? The party don't start till I get there, motherfucker. So I don't give a fuck if I'm late. You understand? The best reaction is right there coming from me, so I don't give a fuck. But really and truly, and one thing will also make me kind of iffy to do this as well. I saw that the nigga basically just copied ZK's verse, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna still listen. But just know that it got exposed that the nigga fully just remixed a verse. You understand? So I don't know. I'll see if I still like it. Because, I mean, when I heard it, what he copied, I mean, if him do it well, it can sound good. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's just get into this shit, man. I don't want to waste no time. Cogency, and I'm going to talk about like more in the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Oh, and I also changed the little camera level, like the elevation. Tell me if you prefer it up yourself or where it was before. You understand? But anyway, I'm chatting way too much. Let's jump into this shit.
Alright, before we get down to business, I just want to hail out all the people that's been waiting patiently. The General's back. It's that time again. Season 6. Mad About Bars.
Oh shit, new season. So E1 bringing the new season. Ah, cool. And see where the setup look mad though.
It's that time again.
Watch it. Bro, this looks sick.
Season 6. Mad About Bars.
That's that like DS nigga or something like, or DZ or something like that. That guy's like 14 years old or some shit like that.
And you know we had to kick it off with a band.
I Tweako mixed this, you know. It sounds cold.
Oh,
Let's start off at Edmonton.
This beat
With
sounds
E1.
sick.
I just stepped into AFG, what's the plan? Which way? It's all fuckeries, Ganko, you know that strip like the back of my hand. Went to the imp, that strip so vacant, say my delete. Bare TSG vans, I beefed them kids that jump out the pram, then Axel Dominox, who have you blammed? He got shanked, call him a dickhead with the same hand man used to wank. That shit weren't planned, we turned B-roll to Amsterdam, I heard the kickback from my gaff. I was
Now I'm pulling it up fam, because one, this beat is going off and he's going off on the beat, you understand? But when I say about shank and wank and wall under that, I could just go again, you understand? I could just, you see it?
It sounds cold.
Let's start off at Edmonton with E1.
I just stepped into AFG, what's the plan? Which way? It's all fuckeries, Ganko, you know that strip like the back of my hand. Went to the imp, that
Is he throwing shots at suspect? Because suspect say, tryna direct bro from the back of the van, I know the up block like the back of my hand. Free bro day, free H, free scam. Free bro day, free H, free scam. You don't have to worry about me, bro. I know all suspect lyrics out of the top of my head. Don't have to worry about that. But is he throwing shots at suspect? E1, man, what you doing at that? Watch it, you know.
Cold.
Let's start off at Edmonton with E1.
I just stepped into AFG, what's the plan? Which way? It's all fuckeries, Ganko, you know that strip like the back of my hand. Went
Nah, I'm chatting shit. He's not, nah, he can't be.
to the imp, that strip so vacant, say my delete. Bare TSG vans, I beefed them kids that jump out the pram, then Axel Dominox, who have you blammed? He got shanked, call him a dickhead with the same hand man used to wank.
That's why I call him a dickhead with the same hand that he used to wank. Cause you say, okay, I get it now. Wow, that's like saying, he got shit face for acting an arsehole. Can rip that shank from an arse and shanked him in his face, so I'll call him an arsehole. You know the line, man. Fuck off.
Dominox, who have you blammed? He got shanked, call him a dickhead with the same hand man used to wank. That shit weren't planned, we turned B-roll to Amsterdam, I heard the kickback from my gaff. I was 14 trying to figure out maths, round of applause, now we're clapping hands. Back then it was chicken and chips pants.
Oh, I like that still. Yo, every time I hear him say chicken, I just think it needs to be blurred because I know why he's saying the word chicken, bro. You need to blur it. I joke, don't blur it, but you know what I'm saying? I hate censorship, that, but like, he's getting around the censorship, that, you see it?
Round of applause, now we're clapping hands. Back then it was chicken and chips for bants. This brown one's way too flowy, rather come to the 9 cause they're too dirty. Step to the foot, water, go, Van Persie, bear man.
Man say, ew, bro, what's with this? Yo, what going on? I ain't gonna lie, fam. Other than him copy the nigga's verse, this shit kinda lit though, nigga. I ain't gonna cap.
Brown one's way too flowy, rather come to the 9 cause they're too dirty. Step to the foot, water, go, Van Persie, bear man talking, the ends not 30. I can't be like them, man. Bud life trappers approaching 30. You need 30. She rather come to the 9 cause they're too dirty. They can't come to the green. If it's not me, she like, where's their tea? If it's not with me, then it's in. We don't even look for them. They just so shit when they're sipping lean.
You see why I don't like censoring, bro? I wanna know what him just said a while ago. What him say?
Come to the 9 cause they're too dirty. They can't come to the green. If it's not me, she like, where's their tea? If it's not with me, then it's in. We don't even look for them. They just so shit when they're sipping lean. Buck into ops.
He said we don't even look for the Marlies. They just look shit when they're sipping lean, bro. Stop. Leave the Marlies alone, bro.
And it's in. We don't even look for them. They just so shit when they're sipping lean. Buck into ops, you'll see best speak. Get caught, won't speak like Mr. Bean. It's an SOS for an anti-green. I beg man, don't insult my intelligence. I'm bringing it back with elegance. I'm showing RD the don't want it with Edmund. All this talk on the net is irrelevant. In my DMs like a girl from Bellingham. Tuna in socks, smash hit that skeleton. My little bro school, that's a young black pleasure. It really made a big man scream, how feminine. They took all my AFGs.
Wow. So that 14-year-old make a big man scream no feminine. Alright, cool. No, listening to it, bro, I can't understand where they say copying the verse, but maybe he's just doing it to diss the niggas, bro. You understand? It's not like, oh, I'm copying the thing, but more like, yeah, I'm gonna use it and diss you. You understand? Maybe, I don't know. Because he used the bring it back thing to this nigga D, so maybe he's doing that with this one. I don't know, man. And he said bring it back again, so... You know what I'm saying? Maybe. Who knows? I don't know. Where they're asking it in every room, I don't know.
Walk into ops, you'll see best speak. Get caught, won't speak like Mr. Bean. It's an SOS for an anti-green. I beg man, don't insult my intelligence. I'm bringing it back with elegance. I'm showing RD the don't want it with Edmund. All this talk on the net is irrelevant. In my DMs like a girl from Bellingham. Tuna in socks, smash hit that skeleton. My little bro school, that's a young black pleasure. It really made a big man scream, how feminine. They took all my AFGs, how long been on phone? I told Rose for a while. They've been lying for a while, can someone please call Jeremy Cow? I can't lie, really made my smile when broski pulled up and done it in style. They say I'm grooming, I say I scout. All my little bros gotta make it out.
Man said I'm grooming, I say I scout. Like there's a difference. Like, bro, you're still grooming those young niggas, bro. Fuck out of here, nigga.
They've been lying for a while, can someone please call Jeremy Cow? I can't lie, really made my smile when broski pulled up and done it in style. They say I'm grooming, I say I scout. All my little bros gotta make it out. They were laughing then, they're not laughing now. No one's been bunny, was all for clout. They're not snapping on mates, cause they know what about. Enter the nookies, you scream and shout. Anything grrr, put in them out. Anything grrr, get put in them out. I beg man, don't insult my intelligence. I'm bringing it back with elegance. I'm showing RD the don't want it with Edmund. I'm showing RD the don't want it with Edmund. I beg man, don't insult my intelligence. I'm bringing it back with elegance. I'm showing RD the don't want it with Edmund. I'm showing RD the don't want it with Edmund. It's whatever. Anything grrr.
So fam, he just lives to this nigga now. Alright, cool, my bro. Alright, my guy, you know what I'm saying? Just do what you gotta do and not do what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? But god damn it, bro, I ain't know man them was going to start dissing the man like that, you know what I mean?
It's whatever. 3 times 3. AFG.
Aye.
Free all the guys incarcerated.
Oh, you heard that slide, bro? I told you about the 808s, man. You know I love that shit. Listen to this.
Incarcerated.
Like, we just have a bad day and we just have, hey, come on, girl. Hey, come on, girl. Hey, Sorry, I'm so sorry. Guys, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you should know that I'm a sick fuck, man. I'm sick in the head, man. Don't worry, don't watch me. If you're gonna be like, yo, oh my God, bro, what's wrong with this nigga, bro? This nigga stupid. This nigga crazy. Like, yeah, fam, I'm crazy. crazy, blood. You get me? But anyway, man, this, after listening to it, him not copying, him, remixing ZK's verse flow. I don't mind. Yeah, I really don't mind. I really don't care. Yeah, because this shit was still lit, you know what I'm saying? And it's not like it was the best part of the song, you understand? There were better parts of the song that weren't that, you understand? So it's kind of, I don't give a fuck about that shit no more, man, you know what I'm saying? So I give this shit probably a 9. He was flowing, bro. I can't lie, my nigga. We got ad-libs, we got the beat, we got flows, we got bars, and we got, like, bars that we have to be like, really? Really, my nigga? Like, that's how you feel? Like, all right, bro. Shit, do your thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, I would give this a 9, bro. You know what I'm saying? 9. E1 from the 9. Mad about bars of Uncanny Allstar. Season 6, episode 1. This new season 6 setup looks sick, bro. You know what I'm saying? With the barbed wire and the thing them in at the back. Yo. You see me? Me need to forget about bars. You see me? But, maybe one day. Ajo. Yeah, man. Cogency and the Cogency Reacts channel. Check out my gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.